2017 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, power driver's seat, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.